Race number 10, and the race is on. Lucky from the outside, passing up is Jungle Jingle Expecto. Patronum is running by the Roman Charm, Bringer of Rain. Moving up is Paris Melody, Mr. Universe. Expecto, Patronum, and Jungle Jingle is racing on the outside. Paris Melody, Bringer of Rain, Roman Charm, Mr. Universe, Lucky, Tobruk. And down on the inside is Yes Poggy, Benny Bidivitsi. And rounding the far turn, Jungle Jingle, this time by Hapland Expecto. Patronum is running by the Bringer of Rain, Paris Melody. Down on the inside, brushing up from Charm, Mr. Universe. As they race the final corner, Jungle Jingle by about 2 lengths. Paris Melody is running by the Roman Charm down the inside. Last 150, Jungle Jingle, followed now by Roman Charm by the but Jungle Jingle is still the leader and finished the game. Second, Roman Charm, Mr. Universe close with Bringer of Rain, Paris Melody, and Lucky Super 6.